This video will show you how you can sign out of one Gmail account on Chrome. So let's say, for example, that you're on Gmail, you go to your Gmail accounts here, and you have multiple. If you've tried to log out, you may notice that they only have a sign out of all accounts button. This is obviously no good if you want to sign out of an individual Gmail account. So what do? So this is a little bit annoying because you can't actually sign out on the computer, but if we go ahead and switch to phone, we can do it via a workaround. So once you're on the phone, go to your Gmail app or any Google app that you've got downloaded, then go to your profile icon in the top right hand corner, then click Manage Your Google Account. From here, you need to go to Security and Sign In. And then on this window, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here you'll see your devices, and then you need to go to the sessions, which are going to be on your computer. So I've got 2 sessions on Windows computer, which we can click on. From this, we can then scroll down and see both of these sessions on the computer. We can then click on each one of these sessions. Then Google will give us the option to sign out of this account on the computer. So you can click sign out, and then you'll see it signed out on your computer. This is the only way that you can do it without signing out of all of your accounts.